大家好, my name is Johannes Nippgen. 我的中文名字是倪永浩。I'm a German doctor by training, and after working a decade in clinical medicine, I decided to work in the pharmaceutical industry. Firstly, I worked for a German company, for the Chinese affiliate in Beijing. In 2016, with the Healthy China and so on, all this initiative and policies that the government was setting, there was an unbelievable change because China was promoting innovation from that time on, also in the pharmaceutical field, helping also the Chinese companies to come to this kind of a global level. Later I decided to also more immerse into the Chinese market and work for Chinese companies, starting in Shanghai. Now the new generation of scientists, we have more and more of these really talented people, young people who are educated in China and they are on the same level as everyone else in the world. That's really amazing for me. And this was also making me exciting about coming here and doing this when living here and helping also the Chinese companies. I feel the government is putting very much resource and also very much emphasis in also developing the Great Bay Area because the Great Bay Area was getting big with technology, the digitalization and so on, and also in the health industry, artificial intelligence. And now I moved to Foshan just in March this year. Is really the right place to do this. What I really appreciate in Foshan is that I feel that the government is listening to the people, help the individual company and the individual people to reach their goal, and I think this is really a great approach to foster innovation. Science is really what I always wanted to do and what I still want to do. China gave me a permanent residence permit a couple of years ago, and this is where I'm really thinking that I found the right place now, so I hope that I can stay here for a long time. Amazing China. I'm here for more.